We'll start the takeoff run.
Okay.
As soon as I tell you, pull up, you pull slowly, this one.
شوية
Then here, you will see two bars, like this. And you have to follow the bar with the joystick, okay?
تبقى الخطوط المقاطعة هذاك وانت تبدا تطلع ما يفهمش انجلي. اوكي ها؟ ما يفهمش انجلي. لا لا ما تبقى المقاطعة هكا وانت تبدا تطلع شوية.
Now,
كريم.
whenever you are ready,
وقت انت حاضر.
move, put your right hand, push la main, push it,
اي
go,
جو امشي.
this,
أقوى.
one more, okay, leave like this, remove your hand, okay, stop like this, okay, when I tell you,
بول اب قال لك وقت اللي نقول لك وانت اعمل كما قلت لك.
اللي يقول لي اي راهي ماشيه اليسار قول له.
I will keep the center line for you, don't worry.
هاكا قال لك شد لك انا السنتر امريكي.
اوكي
We are accelerating.
how many kilometer per hour?
250. Okay, now pull up
سوا
slowly.
اجبد
Pull up.
اجبد
pull up اجبد
Very good. Like this. And now follow this bar.
تبع
Little bit
تبع
à la
تبع
gauche, à la gauche, à la
تبع
gauche,
اليسار.
à la gauche.
امشي اليسار.
Down, a little bit down.
Fuel input 1.
Pull down a little.
هبط لوطا.
Okay. À la droite.
على
Un
اليمين
peu à la droite.
شوية.
And down.
اهبط
push
اهبط
a little bit.
قدم قدام انت. هاي
Fuel input.
Okay.
اتس اوكي.
Like this. À la gauche, à la gauche.
على اليسار.
V1.
يا بلال تصور معه.
صور لك في فيديو ايش
عاود
Leave a second.
Fuel input.
Leave a second.
اي تبع اليمين. انت اللي جيت قدامك تظهر لك تو تنجم تعرف الدور على اليمين وعلى اليسار. باش نعمل.
انا باهي الطياره
عمل له تصوير انت يا بلال.
Leave it.
هيثم نعمل لك تصوير.
Now there is the autopilot. You can leave it.
بعد تقول
See
جي
the aircraft? Yes, autopilot.
انا ما يخلينيش.
اوتو بيلوت
مش
يس
Now,
لا
here we
تمشي
are.
نعمل تصوير.
We are flying now. This procedure, you see, is the same you have here in your mind. Okay?
اوكي
Now, we arrive here, and then we go à la droite pour hacer l'atterrissage.
اوكي
اما باهي هذه. شو عملنا تصوير؟ تقعد ذكريات.
سيمولاتور
اما سخون.
Now,
It
is not. Okay. Right, 140. Right, 140.
140 1
Very good, Monsieur.
140
Perfect. Very good. Now, let's clean the aircraft. Okay, like this. Now, even the speed. Select the speed. Now we have 230. 2. Very good. No, like this. Like this. 230. Whenever you see this ball here, means that the aircraft is flying following the info he has in his computer. Like this, you are flying the aircraft. You are deciding what the aircraft does. Okay? Now, you see the airport is over there on the right, and we have, of course, to descend a little bit. So, to descend, reduce the altitude, put 2000.
2000
Yes, the same you did before. 2000. Perfect. And pull.
اجبد
Like this. Very good. Put here 250. 250.
250
Yes. Perfect. And you see the aircraft is descending. Now, here you have the speed table, the speed indication. You see, you selected 250, and here there is 250. If you want to 40, you keep to 40. But we need 250 because we need to do this.
Okay.
Now, we're going to do this approach. So basically, this is the chart of where we are now, the scene. This is this dump.
Okay.
Now we fly over the Gulf and then we turn right to intercept the landing system, which is completely automatic. Okay? I will show you how the autopilot follow the procedure and then you'll try to land.
يطلع ها.
خرج.
Now, reduce the speed to 10.
210.
Very good.
مريكا سيزروعك في الهبوط سلوت فيها.
اللوتيس خلى بليش والله.
تشوف المرأة تحكي وين تقول لك
لا تشوف فيه في الفيديو.
هذا الواحد
فيها اللوتيس يسوطي.
يحب يشري من عند لوتيس وهو يسجل في فيديو ما دامش تتفرج عليه.
واللي باساجي يقول لهم ما يخافوش ها.
كلمهم انت.
دونت وري.
اي دونت.
Sorry if I put the end quickly, but I have to.
Okay.
Now,
فور تايم.
now you can select the flaps one. The flap is on the wings. Now to slow down the aircraft, do like this and put at the position 1.
One.
تجبد فوق.
Okay. Now, adding 230. Alright. Now, you see, this is the indication of the position of the runway, and this is the position of the glide we have to follow to arrive correctly on the runway.
2,500.
Now, press this button to put the speed automatic. Very good. See, the city of Cagliari. Now, select heading 270. 260. 260 is it in the
2,000.
Okay, continue. 265. 265. Other 5. Perfect. Like this. Okay. Now, this line you see here is this one. Okay. Now we are going to intercept the funnel. Now press this button, approach. No, this one. This one. Okay, and this one.
No.
Okay. Set the flaps position 2.
طلع فوق.
No. Okay. And you hear the engine is reducing the speed. You see the runway? Okay.
شوف لنا برج باين الاخر.
كان لابس تخافوش. بإذن الله
Now you will see. When this indication will move toward the center, he automatically start to turn right in order to be aligned with the runway.
This move.
Exactly, to the center. You will see because it's fully automatic. The same will happen as soon as this diamond will be centered here. It will start to descend toward the runway.
قل لي ها؟ لا قل لي برافو عليك كان انا راني
Excuse me, this is automatic, huh?
Yes, this is automatic. Unfortunately, this aircraft is too much automatic. You can even fly full manually, of course, but usually when you fly fully manually, it's because there is something that is not working properly.
But the experience of the pilot, when the pilot experimented, improve their capacity in.
after
I put the gear down. Now, usually the takeoff is manual, even the landing. So now it's just to show you the autopilot function. Now, tell me when you want to try to fly manually. Are you ready? Okay, so I will disconnect the autopilot for you. Okay. Now, fly in the direction of the runway. Okay. You see, you have to land there. And basically, as you did for the takeoff, you have to follow the bar. You see, a little bit to the right, a little bit. Very good.
No.
Less. Now to the left a little bit. Okay. Like this. You see. Flying the
1,000.
This is the
Yes, correct. You have to land there. A little bit up. Just a little bit. A little bit up. A little bit on the right and up. Very good. Not too much, even less. On the right and very good. Down a little bit, right and down.
500.
Right,
Right.
droit, à la droite.
Droit.
Un peu à la gauche, un peu à
peu à
la
la
gauche,
gauche.
un peu à la gauche, and Joe, down.
طبعا.
Down, okay.
شوي بشوي.
300.
Leave a second. I will adjust for you. Leave a second.
سيبها.
Minimum.
Right, right now,
على
right,
اليمين. يمين.
right and down.
100.
Pull a little bit,
40.
pull.
30.
No, not too much.
Dual input.
Leave a second.
30. 20. Restart.
شفت الكابين
On the grass, but
كراش يلا كراش
leave it.
يا ودي كنت كازون سكيورتي
دمرت
كازون طويل هو حب ينهي الكازون شوي يا سيروتي توم ارجع يا سيروتي
هذا شري
سيبها هاي اتس اوكي
انا معاكم
يو ستوب ناو
اوكي
اوكي ثانك يو
then it on